my God. We hate the harmony of the seas cruise ship. We wish I will never existed. That's it. We are destroying the cruise ship with our atomic bombs.
The bomb will explode in 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. We made it back to Manhattan. Now we're going to work.
Evil yellow horse, evil dark yellow bear, evil dark green bear, evil dark blue horse, evil dark purple horse and evil dark red horse. You six are under arrest for destroying the harmony of the seas cruise ship. You six are in super deep trouble. Now come with me to the police car right now. You six are going back to prison until it's 2083.
What do you think I will do next? To be continued on way.